Wojnarski back again with a welding fabrication tech tip for everybody on keeping things square, or using a square, I guess. So it's really for not just welder fabricators, kind of carpenters or anybody, but if you don't have a square, like we need to square this big pipe like that, and we only have this little square. So if you have a little square like this with that big long of a pipe, it's not really going to help you. So I kind of gave the secret away already, but what we do, or what I do, is I take a piece of flat bar. It's aluminum flat bar, pretty straight, and I keep this flat bar pretty much for this stuff only, so it doesn't get warped or anything. But aluminum flat bar, that way it's nice and light, and it's 1/2 inch thick, so a little thicker the better, so it doesn't have as much flex or bow in it. And I clamp it straight to the ends and kind of keep it pretty flush with the ends. And same thing over here, and it depends if you want to go on the inside or the outside. It'll probably be good to make one of these one day permanently, but let me show you what I do. Then I'll bring it over here, get my pipe pretty much set up, and I have that piece of copper wire on there, but you'll get the gist of it. And I could kind of butt this piece up like that, and it's kind of hard to do one-handed, but hang on. But like, this isn't perfect, but it'll show you what I'm talking about. But it'll sit flat on there, and you could fudge and move your piece of pipe around a little bit. Like that piece I had to get on here and put it on and make sure it was straight. Let me put this down. Hang on. Sorry about that, everybody. But had to put this piece of pipe on right here, and it'll be butt welded onto here, but had to push it on and make sure it wasn't cocked this way or that way, and just pretty much perfectly straight. And that's where that thing came in handy. I thought of that trick a couple years ago, and it's been working pretty good. So that's for the inside. If you wanted to do like put it on the outside and match it up right here, you could do that too, but that won't work because it has that point on it, and the point will hit right there. So, but for other cases, it might need it on the outside like that. So, little trick for you guys. It's not 100% perfect, but I think that's pretty accurate right there, and it get you pretty close for what this pipe is, and it's going to go underground and everything. So it's not got to be super critical, but that will get you pretty dang darn accurate. That's how you say it. So I don't know, kind of like it. Good simple idea. So if you guys have a better way of, I don't even know, maybe they make a long square like that, or that was kind of pointless to even use that, and maybe it's worth buying one, but or making one. Maybe that's a good patent. So if someone thinks about that, don't forget me. That's actually a good idea, so I gotta check into that, make sure, see if they make them, because that's a good idea to have a big square like that. I'm sure a lot of people could use that. We could use that not just for here, somewhere else, because it would be nice to have it without the clamps on there, and it just sits flat on the table, and you could square something up like over there or something. So that's a cool little idea for you guys. Maybe that'll be my little Fab Tip Friday, or I guess it could be Fab Tool Friday too. So little welding fabrication tip, but it could work for anybody else too, like a carpenter maybe not, I don't know. But hopefully you guys liked it. Quick little simple tip for you guys, and yeah, we'll get to pumping out some more videos. Going a little slow. I'm only getting like 1, maybe 2 a week, but not as good of, not my good videos. They're still in the edit process, running out of time, I guess. So hit the subscribe if you haven't and you like my content. What is it? Thumbs up and comment. And if you have a better idea though, let me know how you would fit that pipe up and make sure it's square. That's what I'd like to know, just other people's ways of doing stuff. So I'd really appreciate that. Just always curious how other people do stuff, but had this pipe to do. Got a nice little weld on it. It's not the prettiest, but it'll hold. Now I gotta finish that, finish purging it, and yeah, ready to go. So Chris Wojnarski, over and out. See you on the next one.